Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sign language interpreter in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click the More button at the top of the meeting window to open a drop-down menu, then hover over Settings, and when the submenu appears, click Accessibility to open the Accessibility Configuration panel. An Accessibility Settings panel opens on the right side of your screen, showing various accessibility options, including sign language mode, live captions, and high contrast settings. You'll see toggle switches next to each feature, allowing you to enable or disable them individually. Toggle on sign language mode. This reserves dedicated video positions in your meeting layout specifically for interpreters, ensuring they stay visible even when the speaker changes. The toggle switches to blue to confirm it's active. Finally, select the I am a sign language interpreter radio button to identify yourself as an interpreter, which assigns you to one of those reserved positions so participants will always see you on screen during the call. If you're the meeting organizer rather than the interpreter yourself, you can assign someone else by selecting their video feed and choosing the interpreter option from their participant menu. Sign language mode works best in gallery view, where the reserved positions are most visible. In other layouts, the interpreter may appear smaller. You can turn off sign language mode at any time by going back into the same accessibility menu and toggling it off, which returns the meeting to standard video layout. And that's how to set up a sign language interpreter in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.